Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that this app has been blocked for your protection on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and that an administrator has blocked you from running this app. For more information, contact the administrator. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be if you are using a local user account, I'd recommend switching to an administrator account and then attempting to launch the application, see if that resolves the problem. You can also attempt to right click on whatever program or application you're having the problem with, and then you would select Run as Administrator from the context menu that would appear. Another thing you could try here would be to open up the search menu, type in Group Policy, Best Match, should go back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left side, you want to expand underneath computer configuration. Double click on the Windows settings folder. Do the same thing now for security settings. And there should be local policies. Double click on that. And there should be a security options folder. Just left click on that one time. On the right side, you want to look at something that says user account control. And then it should be near the bottom here. And where it says run all administrators in admin approval mode. Double click on that. Select disabled, and then once you've done that, go ahead and select apply and OK. And then you would need to restart your computer at this point, so go ahead and close out of here. Now modifying that setting actually permanently turns off the user account control. You would want to probably turn that back on once you've identified what the issue is or there's a problematic app. However, that's just more of a quick workaround, I would say, that second option I just showed you guys. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.